Have you ever wondered if the meats on your plate could be silently sabotaging your health? Imagine waking up one morning feeling a little weaker, a little foggier, and not quite sure why. For many seniors, the answer might be hiding in plain sight, right in the foods we've enjoyed for decades. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that could change the way you eat forever: the three meats you should never touch after 65, and the three you absolutely must eat for a longer, healthier life. Trust me, you won't believe what's on the list, and my personal favorite is coming up soon, so stick around. As we age, our bodies become more sensitive to what we eat. The foods that once gave us energy and comfort can start to work against us, especially when it comes to certain types of meat. Did you know that after 65, your risk for heart disease, memory loss, and chronic inflammation skyrockets? But here's the good news. With just a few simple changes to your diet, you can protect your heart, sharpen your mind, and boost your energy. Let's start by uncovering the hidden dangers lurking in some of the most popular meats. Let's be honest, who doesn't love the smell of sizzling bacon in the morning? It's a comfort food, a family tradition, and for many, a daily ritual. But here's the hard truth. Bacon is loaded with saturated fat and sodium, two of the biggest culprits behind high blood pressure and heart disease. For seniors, these risks are even greater. Studies show that just a few strips of bacon a week can raise your cholesterol and increase your risk of stroke. But that's not all. Bacon is packed with preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, which have been linked to certain cancers, especially colorectal cancer. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing these chemicals, making us even more vulnerable. And if you struggle with arthritis or joint pain, bacon's high sodium and unhealthy fats can trigger inflammation, making those aches and pains even worse. I know bacon brings back memories of Sunday breakfasts and family gatherings. But ask yourself, is a moment of comfort worth years of health complications? If you're craving that savory flavor, try turkey bacon or plant-based alternatives. They offer the taste you love, with a fraction of the risk. Hot dogs at a summer barbecue, deli meats in your favorite sandwich, or a quick can of luncheon meat, processed meats are everywhere. They're convenient, tasty, and often marketed as lean or healthy. But don't be fooled. Processed meats are some of the worst offenders when it comes to sodium, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. Research from the World Health Organization has classified processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning there's strong evidence they cause cancer. The high sodium content can send your blood pressure soaring, while chemical additives like nitrates and nitrites increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. For seniors already managing conditions like hypertension or diabetes, these meats can make things much worse. And here's a little-known fact. The marketing labels on processed meats can be misleading. Low fat doesn't mean low sodium or preservative-free. Always read the labels, and when in doubt, choose fresh, unprocessed options. Your heart and your future self will thank you. A juicy steak or a tender lamb chop might sound delicious, but for seniors, red meat, especially when it's rare or undercooked, can be a recipe for disaster. As we age, our digestive systems slow down, making it harder to break down heavy proteins. This can lead to bloating, discomfort, and even more serious digestive issues. But the risks don't stop there. Cooking red meat at high temperatures, like grilling or frying, creates harmful compounds called HCAs and PAHs, which have been linked to cancer. And if the meat is undercooked, you're at risk for dangerous bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella, both of which can be life-threatening for older adults. Red meat is also high in saturated fat and certain amino acids that promote inflammation, worsening conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even memory loss. If you love red meat, consider limiting your intake and always cook it thoroughly. Better yet, swap it out for healthier options that are just as satisfying. Now, let's turn the tables. What if I told you there are meats that can actually help you feel younger, stronger, and more energetic? Here are the 3 meats every senior should embrace. And wait until you hear about the last one, it might surprise you. If you want to protect your memory and keep your heart strong, wild-caught salmon is your new best friend. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. Studies show that seniors who eat salmon regularly have a lower risk of heart disease and cognitive decline. But that's not all. The high-quality protein in salmon supports muscle maintenance, which is crucial for staying active and independent as you age. Plus, it's delicious and easy to prepare, grilled, baked, or even in a salad. If you haven't tried wild-caught salmon yet, now's the time. Chicken is a staple in many diets, but not all chicken is created equal. Free-range chicken is lower in unhealthy fats and higher in essential nutrients like B vitamins, which support energy production and brain health. The lean protein helps maintain muscle mass, which naturally declines with age. What's more, free-range chicken is less likely to contain harmful additives or antibiotics, making it a safer, cleaner choice. Try it roasted with your favorite herbs or add it to soups and salads for a satisfying, health-boosting meal. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Beef liver? But hear me out. Grass-fed beef liver is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. It's loaded with vitamin A, B12, iron, and folate, all essential for energy, mental clarity, and immune support. Seniors often struggle with low B12 and iron, leading to fatigue and brain fog. Just a small serving of beef liver can make a world of difference. If you're new to liver, start small. Add it to stews or mix it with ground beef. The benefits are worth it, and you might just find a new favorite. So there you have it, the 3 meats to avoid and the 3 to embrace for a healthier, happier life after 65. Remember, every meal is a chance to invest in your future. Are you ready to make the switch? Take a moment to look at your current eating habits. Are there meats you could swap out for healthier options? Even small changes can lead to big improvements in your energy, memory, and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Give us a thumbs up, share this with friends and family, and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite healthy meat alternative? Have you made any changes that improved your health? Your story could inspire someone else. Together, we can build a community of seniors who are empowered, informed, and thriving. Here's to your health, your happiness, and your next delicious, nutritious meal. See you in the next video.